So moving to the how to implement those views. For example, if you start in here, you can see uh, uh, you need a Pareto cut by center, by top center, and you need the other thing I think is quite familiar to you already. This is the account on the top, and then the current time or the current period on top here, and then this is a year, and then the quarter, and then the month. So the views are elastic, so you can change the view in the different in the different levels, and then you focus on the main account or other accounts. Uh, s- uh, but then if you click on this one, you can see um, the cut here, which is on this formula. So I divide this formula into two parts. The first one is the uh, ranking part. So basically, I have to uh, copy the ranking from the other table in here. If you look up the table in here, so I have the ranking for each center, each cohort and regions. Okay, so that's how this thing work. And then I have that a dual ranking as well. So for example, we rank the center inside region, and then rank region inside cohort, and cohort inside region. So you have the dual ranking, and then um, later you can cut uh, mm, the population into two levels. Okay. So after I have all the ranking, then this one is very straightforward. The second part is to just to design the Pareto. So I go to the Pareto first in here because it's very simple. So if the center is in below 10, and then these are the top centers. Otherwise, as a okay, so cohort, same thing. So if I have the rank of the cohort below 10, and then it become the top and others. So this one is just for this cut, for this, and this. Okay. So the top 20, top 10 centers and other also the same thing. You have the ranking already, and then you have the center code. So for the top 10, you will reveal the center code in this case, uh, and then uh, others. So this with this design, then you have the ranking and then the name of the center in here also. So this is the rank in the first place. So the group A will be the top, and then group B will be others. And then you have the ranking for the top, and then you have the name of the identity, the entities. So this one is the cohort, and this one is the stores. Okay, so that's how this thing work. So you only need to uh, to uh, if you look up the rank from the other tables, and then you use the if function to tag each entity, okay, based on the rank. So moving to the second one here, if you want to cut this one into two levels, then you need two of them here. So if I remove the first one, then it becomes the top view. But then now, if you want to break it down from the top view inside each cohort, you want more region, then you need the second layer like this. So it become the nested cut in this case. So the same concept in here. We have the first one is the region, and the second one is the region to cohort. Okay, so the concept is the same. It's just like the view is the same, but we have to design the different columns in order to cut. Okay, so and now how to the first one is easy, but the second one you need to do this. The second one, you need to look up the rank as well, and then this one is local ranking, so it will be in this table. And then this one, you have to cut with the level one. So for the level one, you need to show the region, and then the level two, you will have to show the cohort, and this the other way around. So for the level one here, you show the cohort first, and then the level two, you show the region, and then the following the logic of the if is the same for all of them. Okay, so that's how um, we display the two levels in this view. So for this cut, I will show you how to cut this COA here. So you can see here, if I want the main account, then I only select this sale contribution COGS and COGS contribution, and I will mark it as the main accounts, and the other accounts will be here. So if you similarly, if you want to do the period to period view, you do so the set standard accounts, and then the last 12-month account, the same periods last year, and then the last period into the period to period, and then others. Okay, so if you do the cut like this, and then you move to the actually, I have the view here already. You go to check the account, you can see the these four accounts will be tagged as the main, and then the rest will be others. So this one also same thing. So these accounts will be the period to period account and other, and then because of this column, main and others here, and then I can just put this column into the slicer, and then I can select only the main account I want in this case. Okay, so I think that's all for the design of this view. So you have to care about the two things. The first thing is this tagging table. So you tag the rank, and then you tag the top 10 and Pareto cut. And the second one is to tag only the account you want, and then you can put the tagging column in here for selection.